So what hull for rough water? For comfort? Ultra. And the new Ultra is way better because they lowered their center of gravity and you're deeper into the hull. You're actually deeper under the bond line. So it's actually really in there. Is it faster than the GTX? No. On smooth water, Ultra is going to lose. But yes, 100%, the Ultra is the best rough water hull there is. Ask anyone who's raced Catalina. Ask anyone who's raced the Carrier Jet. Ask anyone who's raced Mark Hahn. Ask anyone who's raced offshore. They're going to say Cowie. No, the GTX is a good cruiser. The GTX is so comfortable. The GTX has some of the best ergonomics, most comfortable seat, great access to storage, great handlebar placement. It's a comfortable ski. But again, how many of you guys are going 50 miles an hour in 2 to 3 foot chop? The people who've ridden with me know that Kevin Shaw rides like a bonkers freaking Looney Tune, riding standing up. And that's how I judge this stuff, is what does the hull do in rough water? That's number one for me. Number one for me is what is the hull doing? Okay. A GP and an FX will feel every damn thing on the water, but it will go straight and chop. All right. They don't go erratically like this. The RXPX and the ST3 hull all do that. And you know what? You don't have to listen to what I have to say. I mean, I'm not being a jerk about it. I'm like, well, screw you. You don't have to listen to me. It's not that. It's don't take my word for it. Find a friend who has one. Find a group that you can go ride and go, hey, man, I got a question. Hey, Joe, I got a question, man. I really like your GTX or I really like your Ultra, and it's a little choppy out here. Can you let me just go out there and burn a gallon or two? I just want to see how it rides. And he'll be like, oh, yeah, dude, totally. Or he's going to be like, this thing's a piece. You're not going to like it. Well, can I try it? Sure. Go ahead. Ask someone. Go on a group ride and ask someone. That's the best thing you can do. The best thing any potential buyer could do is bum a ride off of someone and go, hey, can I just try it out for 5 minutes? Because I love your ski and I was thinking about buying one, but I want to ride it for like 2 minutes. And the guy's like, yeah, go for it. Most guys will let you do it. If he's some anal jerk who won't, you don't want to ride with that guy anyway. But most people will like, absolutely, go for it. Okay. I mean, unless you're a kook, then I'm like, I don't want you touching my ski. So there's that. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.